Welcome to BPlanMaker.com. Opening a laundromat has got to be one of the safest businesses to start. Everyone always needs to have clean clothes, but the startup cost is pretty substantial. You're going to need a business plan, and that's where we come in. Let's take a look at our plan. You have an executive summary, products and services, and then you jump down into the market analysis, primary market, target market, even your competition. Then we go into the facility operations with your capital equipment list, your sales strategy, your management summary, and then finally a 3-year financial projection, profit and loss, cash flow, balance sheet, key business ratios, everything lenders are looking for in the exact SBA format they're looking for, all for 50 bucks. No ongoing fees, no monthly subscriptions. If you are serious about starting a laundromat, you owe it to yourself to go to bplanmaker.com, download the plan, and get started today. It's easy to edit and will save you time and money.